I was out here on my very first video and got skunked. That was probably about 6 months ago. I have a feeling I'm gonna catch them today. I got a new mold and I made. It's not available for sale yet because I'm still trying to get it down. I got these frogs, little guys. It's open pour, it's really hard. I got a couple chatterbaits in here that I actually made. I'm gonna try them out, so, but here we go. All right, so I'm gonna try the chatter, follow it up with a Gilly Bob jerk. I don't know if you can see that, but it chatters. All right, I know where he is now. Oh, he's trying to. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's so small. Oh, all right. Well, I got on camera. You've seen it. He's tiny though. So this little frog catches little bass and my thumb. That hurt. So I made these with leftover Gilly Bob Thornton, which I had salt in, so they sink because there's definitely salt in this. And I have another blend that doesn't sink. That fish is, there's another one back there. I gotta get closer. You guys ever sit and wonder who's still alive anymore? Like, I don't watch much TV at all. I mean, I watch some stuff on like Hulu and stuff, but like, I was sitting there the other day wondering, like, is Bob Barker still alive? I'm gonna check. All right, he's still alive. He's 96. I don't know if I'd want to live to 96 though. I'm 32. Every morning I wake up feeling like I'm dying. If it gets any worse, it's gonna really suck. I seen a video of Jack Black not too long ago though. He's getting pretty up there in age and very hairy. I mean, I feel like he always been kind of a hairy guy, but like now he like flaunts it. He rocks it though. Not a big Jack Black fan, but I'm sure he's a nice guy. Oh, there's a beaver hut right in front of me. I don't want the beaver to come out, they scare me. I got my dainty little legs dangling in the water. All I think about is what they do to trees. Who am I kidding? My legs aren't dainty. I'm sure you guys seen me. I'm like 90% fat, 8% muscle, 4% water, 1/32% wiener. I just heard something breaking the sticks over there. So I recently met a dude who makes YouTube videos named Jake. Oh, what is that? I don't know if you guys seen that. I think it was an otter. I don't like those things either. I don't know where he came from. Could have been a baby beaver. I hate those things, like I said. Anyways, Jake has a YouTube channel called Foreshore Fishing. Went out fishing with him. Pretty nice guy. Very handsome, muscular, beautiful eyes. But yeah, check out his channel, Foreshore Fishing. It's the number 4. And then shore, like right over there. And then fishing, like what I'm trying to do. But he makes some good videos, I like him. Tried to get him to come out today, but he had other things going on. Mouth fart. I'm gonna throw a watermelon red flake, water booger on my hand. All right, that's fish. I'm calling it. I lied. Well, that snapped off. That's cool. Ouch. Gotta stop doing that. There we go. There we go. Oh, I better be recording. Gilly Bob, bring it in. Oh, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. Oh, he's hooked good, actually. All right. Thank you, Gilly Bob. Not bad. Am I recording? All right. Probably got snot running out of my nose. Allergies suck. But I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, this was all day. I've been grinding away, talking to myself. Feeling like an idiot. Always looking around me to see if anybody's around me. But it took forever just to get this fish. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna get an underwater shot of me letting it go. I feel like the underwater shot really sucked. Sorry about the light quality. Well, it was tough out there. Didn't manage to get 1.5, I guess. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you want baits, hit me up on my Facebook, Midnight Baits, or if you type in www.midnightbaits.com, it'll link you right to the Facebook account. Message me, tell me what you want, and I will send it out to you or meet up with you, or you come pick them up. But yeah, thanks again. See you later.